In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change perspective in CapCut PC. If you want to tilt your video canvas or change its angle to create a more dynamic, stylized 3D perspective look, CapCut PC gives you a couple of quick ways to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you both the manual method and an effects-based method, so you can choose the one that works best for your edit. To begin, open your project and go down to the timeline. Click once on your main video clip so it becomes selected. You'll know it's active when it's highlighted with a white border. This part is important because CapCut only shows clip-specific controls when the correct clip is selected. Next, move your mouse up to the top right settings area. Click on the Video tab, then make sure the Basic section is open. This is where you'll find the core transform controls for your clip, including the settings that help you create a manual perspective style adjustment. Now scroll down a little until you find the Position and Size section. Here, look for the Rotate control. You can click and drag the circular dial from its center node to tilt your canvas and change the angle of the shot. This is useful when you want to create a more dramatic composition or make the frame feel less flat. To push the look even further, use Position X and Position Y. Click inside those numeric fields to move your clip horizontally or vertically on the screen. Combining rotation with X and Y positioning helps fake a stronger perspective effect, especially if you're trying to make the subject feel shifted against the background layout. Small adjustments usually work best here, so move gradually and watch the preview as you go. Now let's switch to the automated 3D tracking method. Move to the top left area of the interface and click on Effects. Inside the Video Effects category, go to the search box and type Perspective or 3D. CapCut will show you a range of preset effect tiles that can warp the image and change the field of view for you automatically. Browse through the available presets and choose the style that best matches the look you want. Once you find one, drag it directly down onto your timeline track. As soon as it's applied, your clip will take on that warped or shifted perspective effect instantly. This is a great option when you want faster results or a more dramatic visual treatment without manually fine-tuning every setting. And that's it. By selecting your clip, opening the video basic controls, adjusting rotation and position manually, or applying a 3D perspective effect from the effects library, you can quickly change perspective in CapCut PC and give your footage a more cinematic, dynamic feel.